4 competitors think they have what it takes to be the chopped champion. Let's meet them.
20 minutes to cook an appetizer. It's gonna be very tough to do. My heart's racing, very nervous.
Guanciale is your quintessential cured meat with peppercorns and rosemary and things like that.
I want to win from my parents. They finally just retired, so I'd love to give them $10,000. That would mean the world to me. This is fun.
Being on the chop will kind of help me be a little bit more outgoing. I'm the shy chef in the back because I want to come out and say hi to people, but I think people want to know about your dishes and learn from you.
All right, chefs, 10 minutes to go. There are 3 rounds: appetizer, entree, and dessert. Each course comes with its own basket of mystery ingredients. You must use every ingredient in the basket in some way. If your dish doesn't cut it, you will be chopped. Chefs, please open your baskets for the appetizer round. And we've got wasabi root, blueberries, cocktail blini, and guanciale.
I hope this isn't some weird type of cured fish, something I'm completely unfamiliar with.
You have 20 minutes on the clock, starting now.
I'm super relieved it's a cured pork. I'm gonna sear that off, get some of those fat juices, use a berry sauce to enhance that, and let it ride on top of the Blinis.
I'm really proud to carrying the banner for caterers and the poor beleaguered Irish chefs out there. I have something here that could resemble a Baltic dish. The blueberry would be considered a northern berry type, and Blinis, of course, are of Russian origin.
I definitely know that the guanciale would be great in a salad, crisping it up almost like a bacon lardon.
When I open the basket, I see wasabi root, and I immediately think horseradish. They have a lot of similarities, and right now I'm cooking with a lot of horseradish at my restaurant, so it's a nice gift. Guanciale. This is a big hunk of delicious meat. I'm gonna make a salad with cucumber and boiled potatoes. What makes me a great chef is my work ethic, which I was brought up with having.
I knew that blueberries would make a good vinaigrette, especially with the guanciale rendered fat. I want to win very badly. I'd love to go back home, spend time with my family, and all be together again.
I have a little problem with what he just did. He put the blueberry on top, so now his beautiful frise. It looks like a car wreck.
Dr. Seuss salad is what we have here.
If the blinis don't get crispy, they'll really destroy the concept of the dish because the texture was crucial.
30 seconds left, chefs.
You gotta sauce it and hit it with chives. The clock's ticking down.
And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back. Chef Dave.
The dish I prepared for the judges today is a Baltic bacon Bellini blueberry appetizer.
Chef Elise, could you please tell the judges the name of your dish?
It's like a blueberry and herb salad with guanciale and wasabi root.
Next, Chef Johnny.
The title of this dish is guanciale blue. When I saw blueberry and wasabi, I wanted to do a berry sauce, notes of wasabi, and then use the little guajillo chili to give it a little bit of spice.
Now we turn to Chef David.
So today I have for you a crispy guanciale salad with garlic Bellini croutons and a wasabi blueberry vinaigrette.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Dave, you've been chopped. Chef Elise, Chef Johnny, Chef David, please open your baskets for the entree round. And what have we got? Bloody Mary mix, green seedless grapes, cashews, and chicken steak. You'll have 30 minutes for this round, starting now.
I want to go sort of a Creole-style gravy with the other ingredients. Smother anything in gravy, and it's going to be delicious.
The chicken steak, I thought of chicken fried steak, especially go with the cashews.
The chicken steak, I'm gonna treat this like it's a tenderloin or a strip and just get a really nice sear and baste it with some butter.
Taste the Bloody Mary mix. It has so many flavors, like the celery salt in there. I've reduced that. It goes through my mind that I'm making this barbecue sauce next to Johnny, who has a hot sauce company.
$10,000 would be great. I'm living check to check, week to week, just because, you know, having 2 dogs and a girlfriend is expensive. Yeah, $10,000 would make my life a little easier, no doubt.
The steaks I'm a little concerned about. They have really nice grill marks, but I could tell by looking at the sides that there's more pink in the middle than I want them to. I know it's safe to throw them in the oven. When I pull those back out, hopefully they'll be ready to go.
I look at my meat and I think it's a great temperature, has great color on there, great flavor, so I'm feeling really good about this dish.
This chicken steak is morphed from my initial direction into something that looks a little more stir-fry-ish.
30 seconds.
I'm upset about the steak. It's unevenly cooked. A chef at my level knows how to cook steak, and I expected more from myself than the steak that I put out.
Final seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back. Chef Elise.
I made pan-seared chicken steak, cannellini beans, and grape tarragon salad.
Next up, Chef Johnny.
I'm calling this dish chicken steak Bienvenue.
Chef David.
Gentlemen, today prepared for you a cashew-encrusted chicken steak with oven-roasted grapes and a sweet and sour barbecue sauce.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Johnny, you've been chopped. Chef Elise, Chef David, please open your baskets. Mandatory ingredients are cinnamon toast cereal, Asian pears, chocolate-covered raisins, and camembert. You will have 30 minutes this round, starting now.
The second I open the basket, I know exactly what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna make a dish that plays off a cheese plate a little. The camembert is a really nice base for an ice cream or sorbet. I make a simple syrup, get that in the blender. I wanted to get this sorbet in the machine within 5 minutes. David's a fierce competitor, but winning is a chance for me to move my career ahead, some validation that all my hard work is paying off, and, you know, $10,000 is perfect.
First few minutes in the dessert round, I'm feeling very nervous. I definitely just start working some components, and hopefully something will kind of all fall into place. Camembert is a very mild cow's cheese. I put that in a pot with heavy cream and start melting that. I want to transform the chocolate raisin, so melting them down and incorporating the camembert would be a very easy solution just because they kind of go well together, the creaminess.
The texture's not to my desired consistency, but I'm not gonna worry about that because it's delicious. The flavor's right on.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back. Chef David.
Well, today I provided a chocolate raisin and cinnamon toast truffle with a Asian pear and yogurt salad.
Next, Chef Elise.
I made camembert sorbet with the cinnamon tuile and Asian pear salad.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef David, you've been chopped. And that means, Chef Elise Cornack, that you are the chopped champion.
Nice.
Congratulations.
That's awesome. Thank you.
You have a great ability to coax flavors out of products, which is something that I think is just inherent. I don't think that's necessarily learned.
Thank you. Appreciate
Well
that.
done.